In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
What time did you wake? Around 7, feeling sleepy. What time did you wake? Around 7, feeling sleepy. Why wake so early? Work starts at 8. Why wake so early? Work starts at 8. How was the shower? Quick and warm today. How was the shower? Quick and warm today. What did you wear? Office shirt, still wrinkled. What did you wear? Office shirt, still wrinkled. Did you eat breakfast? Just toast at home. Did you eat breakfast? Just toast at home. How did you commute? Bus ride, quiet morning. How did you commute? Bus ride, quiet morning. Anyone on the bus? Few regulars, half asleep. Anyone on the bus? Few regulars, half asleep. When did you arrive? Before 8, a bit rushed. When did you arrive? Before 8, a bit rushed. How felt entering office? Calm, lights just on. How felt entering office? Calm, lights just on. What first task? Checking emails quietly. What first task? Checking emails quietly. Who greeted you first? My manager, smiling today. Who greeted you first? My manager, smiling today. Any meetings planned? One short meeting at 10. Any meetings planned? One short meeting at 10. How was the meeting? Brief and focused, thankfully. How was the meeting? Brief and focused, thankfully. What did you discuss? Project deadlines this week. What did you discuss? Project deadlines this week. Did questions come up? A few, nothing stressful. Did questions come up? A few, nothing stressful. How felt after meeting? Relieved, coffee sounded good. How felt after meeting? Relieved, coffee sounded good. Where got coffee? Kitchen corner near windows. Where got coffee? Kitchen corner near windows. Who joined you? A coworker from sales. Who joined you? A coworker from sales. What did you chat? Weekend plans and weather. What did you chat? Weekend plans and weather. Did work resume smoothly? Yes, tasks felt manageable. Did work resume smoothly? Yes, tasks felt manageable. What time was lunch? Around noon, stomach growling. What time was lunch? Around noon, stomach growling. Where did you eat? Cafe downstairs near lobby. Where did you eat? Cafe downstairs near lobby. What did you order? Soup and a sandwich. What did you order? Soup and a sandwich. Was it busy there? Moderately busy, short line. Was it busy there? Moderately busy, short line. Did you sit alone? Yes, enjoyed quiet minutes. Did you sit alone? Yes, enjoyed quiet minutes. Any messages during lunch? One text from my sister. Any messages during lunch? One text from my sister. How did that feel? Nice, reminded me home. How did that feel? Nice, reminded me home. Did you rush eating? No, took my time. Did you rush eating? No, took my time. What after lunch? Short walk outside building. What after lunch? Short walk outside building. How felt returning upstairs? Refreshed, ready to focus. How felt returning upstairs? Refreshed, ready to focus. How was the afternoon? Busy, emails kept coming. How was the afternoon? Busy, emails kept coming. Any difficult tasks? One report needed edits. Any difficult tasks? One report needed edits. Why edits needed? Numbers changed this morning. Why edits needed? Numbers changed this morning. Who helped you? A teammate nearby. Who helped you? A teammate nearby. How did you fix it? Checked files, updated charts. How did you fix it? Checked files, updated charts. Was the deadline tight? Yes, before 5 today. Was the deadline tight? Yes, before 5 today. How felt under pressure? Focused, breathing steady. How felt under pressure? Focused, breathing steady. Did music help? Soft music in headphones. Did music help? Soft music in headphones. When finished report? Just before 5. When finished report? Just before 5. What happened next? Sent email, relaxed shoulders. What happened next? Sent email, relaxed shoulders. What time did you leave? Right at 5. What time did you leave? Right at 5. How was the commute? Slower, light rain outside. How was the commute? Slower, light rain outside. What did you think? Dinner and a quiet night. What did you think? Dinner and a quiet night. Did you stop anywhere? Grocery store for milk. Did you stop anywhere? Grocery store for milk. Who was at home? Just me, peaceful. Who was at home? Just me, peaceful. What did you cook? Pasta, quick and easy. What did you cook? Pasta, quick and easy. How did you unwind? Watched news on couch. How did you unwind? Watched news on couch. Any work thoughts linger? Briefly, then let go. Any work thoughts linger? Briefly, then let go. What time was bedtime? Around 10, feeling tired. What time was bedtime? Around 10, feeling tired. How ended the day? Grateful, planning tomorrow. How ended the day? Grateful, planning tomorrow.